on board the Eurostar train going to Brussels. So, ayan. Actually, ang ganda ng train. Second class yung binook namin, pero ang ganda niya. Beth, say good morning to the camera.
Morning.
Ayan. So medyo masikip lang kami kasi pinagkasya namin yung mga gamit. So, may luggages namin nandun sa luggage area sa likod. Hindi kami naglagay ng luggage area sa itaas, although pwede naman, hindi nun din kasi kasya. Yan, you can put luggage on top then, so kung kasya you can put luggage on top. Yung luggage kasi namin hindi siya kakasya kaya hindi namin nailagay sa itaas. Ayun lang.
Possible yung version.
I think so. So, ito pala yan. So, meron 3 table. Ganun siya. So, meron ding charger ports. Tapos, pwede din ka ng charger. May pang drinks. Which is nice. So, out of all the trains na nasakyan namin, na cross country. Akala mo naman ang dami. Pangalawa pa lang naman to. Pero ito yung nice. Hello, where are you? Brussels, Belgium. Then say good morning again. Good morning.
Morning.
Sorry, waiting kami for the elevator. Hello guys, so we're here in factory. So sasakay kami ng train going to Brussels Central. So yan, waiting kami dito. 9:09 yung train. Apo, iniwan lang po namin yung gamit kanina. Just near our accommodation is the Grand Place, or the central square of Brussels, Belgium. So you can actually see a number of buildings following the Baroque architecture, and you will actually see a number of tourists in the area. Cute na mga bata. Just near Grand Place is the Lady Luck, or the monument of Everard Circlas. So local legend has it that if you rob the statue, it will bring you good luck. So it's actually a statue of a local hero of Belgium. Next up is the Mannequin Piece. It is a bronze fountain sculpture that actually depicts a naked boy urinating into the fountain's basin. There are actually a number of people taking a photo of it, so if you go there, make sure to be patient and wait for your turn. And because it was raining, we then went to the Royal Gallery of St. Hubert, which is an arcade or a complex full of restaurants, cafes, and shops. Since it was lunch, we walked around to find a place to eat. We actually want to eat rice, so we're trying to see the area and find a good place to eat lunch. Tito Edgar has been working and living in Brussels, Belgium for more than a decade. So during our walk, he's entertaining us with stories of his life there, his working experience, and all the other stories that help us get to know the city more. Finally, after days of just eating bread in Europe, we're able to eat rice in this Vietnamese restaurant named Angon, which is also just near the central area of Brussels. After lunch, we once again walked around the area to look for Belgian waffle or Belgian pancakes. We're trying to kill some time because our check-in at the hotel was at 3 p.m. So instead of waiting too long at the hotel, we decided to now just roam around. We're here at our hotel in Brussels. So it's Warwick Hotels. It's a 4-star hotel. I think this is I'm back here. I think this is the prettiest hotel that we're in. So there's a room number. So, ganda na itong hotel na to. Sa lobby pa lang, and customer service, and yung itsura ng always and all. Guys, here's our room. So yan, may TV. May table area here, and then may seat, and then here's the cabinet, and then on the right side is the washroom. Ayan yung washroom. There you go. But excuse me. So there's the washroom. Ayan. So that's our luggage. So kanina we arrived early, mga around 9 a.m. Check-in time is 3 p.m. So, we have to leave the luggage. So, iniwan namin ito sa may reception. So, nag-ikot muna kami. And then, bumalik kami kasi yung check-in time is 3 p.m. onwards. So, bumalik kami mga around 4. Mag 4:40. So, nakapag-check-in na kami. So, yung luggage, din na lang dito sa room. So, at least that's also very nice. So, again, here's also the washroom. Yan, nagamit na rin yung washroom somehow, but it's really nice. There is a towel. Tapos meron yung face towel, and then they have like let's say yung shampoo, body wash, hand wash, soap, and then there is also a mirror over there. This is the shower room, and at the same time also the bathtub. Very nice. Yan, just to try lang the simple Belgian waffle. So kanina ganyan yung toppings dun sa pancake, pero at least this time naman waffle kasi nasa Belgium kasi. maka-global village. Char! Labis na. Kahit din kami ng German sausage. Ayan, so we're here in Frankfurt. So ito yung isa sa mga pinupuntahan talaga ito ng may kita. Ayan, so yun yung Euro sign. Dito siya malapit sa Oper Frankfurt. Ayan, and ito yung other things that you can see around. Ayan. Ayan. Hello guys, we're walking to Romerberg. So yun yung para mukhang bull down, I think. So today is ano araw ngayon ba? Thursday? So weekday siya, pero tahimik. So masyadong tao. Siguro kasi baka nasa work pa yung mga tao, pero tahimik actually. Ito na kami. Mukha talaga siyang old town. Mukha siyang old town. At ayan, meron silang mga trams. So, sana meron tayo sa Philippines. Pero kasi, grabe din ang traffic sa EDSA. Saan pa nadaan ang tram? Hindi na nga magkasya ang mga sasakyan. So, ayan. It's very nice. Wala lang. Relax, maka-old vibes. So, we've read na yung rat's color pala, it's a German name given to, like, let's say, German word for a bar that is located daw malapit sa City Hall. So, yan. So, yun daw yung sabihin ng rat's color. So, medyo umuulan na. Hanap lang kami ng masasalungan. And then, this is how Romerberg in Frankfurt looks like. So guys, this is actually the summary of our tour in Europe this March/April. So talagang maulan siya. May other days na hindi umulan, like let's say sa Switzerland, meron din sa France, where there are other days na talagang umulan, like yesterday sa Brussels and now sa Frankfurt. So talagang during this month talagang it's going to be rainy. Yan. Yan ba yung binidyoan mo? So guys, maulan pa rin. Although sabi daw, ganito daw hanggang 3 p.m. So yun ang ulan. Look at all those cheese. Isipin nyo, grabe, cheese ganyang kalaki. Gano'n kaya katagal bago mo maubos yan? Pero mukha siya masarap. So far, ganun pa rin, maulan pa rin. So naglalakad kami pero sumisilong kami from time to time kasi maulan. So guys, we're in a shopping mall here in Frankfurt. Maulan pa rin kasi kaya kami nakapasok dito sa Galleria. So, shopping center siya. So, maliit lang actually yung shopping center. If you're from the south, alam niyo yung SM Sukat. So, mas malaki pa sa SM Sukat actually. So, yun. So, although kasi maraming shops outside na shopping center, parang hindi sila nasa loob ng isang shopping center. Para siyang BGC style na every brand may sariling parang store sa labas. Ayan. So, ito siya. So, ayan. So, guys, ayan. Ayan, parang selfie point here. May lights and all. Bumalik na kami sa Frankfurt Central Station. Although mamaya pang 6 yung aming train, pero kasi para makakain kami. And yun, mag-aantay na lang kami dito bago yung next departure ng train at 6:20 something. So there, we are still waiting. We have, ayun na, nakita ko na nakalagay din doon. We have, oh, I think different pala yun. Joke lang, different pala yun. But we have mga 1 hour pa to wait. And then, yan. So, most likely, sasakyan namin nandiyan lang sa area na yan. Check na lang namin kung saan yung departure shop sa truck yung kami nagde-depart. It's Harry Styles and Taylor Swift. Dito sa Belgium, dami mong makikita ang chocolate. At yung left and right, ang dami yung chocolate. Tambango, pag pumasok ka sa store. Tama naman guys. So, may white, may milk, and then may dark. Imagine, sarap. Kaya nandito ako talaga sa Belgium guys. Grabe yung temptation. Yan naman. Ang daming delicacies. Bango ang mga dito sa talaga. At may free samples inside. It's nice. Here guys, we bought sandwiches.